Hey everyone, it's Shai. Wanted to speak a little bit about my experience at Lumud 2012, which took place in Montreal last week, October 14th. First of all, I gotta say it's a blessing to be back in this city where I grew up and to get a chance to share, my music with so many amazing people. And I was fortunate enough to have ROI help me with a micro grant to get this off the ground, and wonderful people at Lumud for organizing an amazing event. Big shout out to Mike Zalatovsky, a local Montrealer and a fellow ROIer. So Lumud was for me, actually I was kind of blown away to see that it's in one day you can jam so many incredible people with so many fascinating topics and issues to discuss and present to the Jewish community, and speaking about Jewish life and maybe a lot of alternative and different approaches to Jewish life with some of us were never exposed to before. One of the most amazing things to me really was the fact that I got to share my creative process and how I make music and what came about that led me to be to choose hip hop as a vehicle for my messages. And I think it was a blessing, because a lot of people ask me that, I never really got to really do it and present it in a formal on a formal platform. So this was absolutely amazing, and I got to meet new people and share my music with a new crowd and reach I guess new hearts and touch new hearts and make people smile, make people dance, share my story. So it was absolutely amazing, and I want to thank everyone once again for making this happen. ROI would have not happened without the micro grant, so really truly appreciate it. And I want to very much recommend to everyone to come out next year to Lumud 2013, Bezrat Hashem, and enjoy. It's a marathon of incredible brains and people and stories and history that you must be a part of. So thanks everybody. Eitot.